We have beautiful and functional chairs. They're very comfortable, great to look at, fill a space, really pop, and we can cover them and upholster them in any fabric you'd like. We have a vast range of products which is very versatile. We have seating solutions for all corporate needs.
At Advanta, we don't just make seating easy, we make every step of the process easy, and I think that's why our clients really love working with us.
We set the bar high. We don't settle for average. Average isn't good enough. What sets Advanta apart is really our people. We've got an entire team that's really invested in the Advanta vision.
We have in-house research and design at Advanta. We're always bringing new and exciting products to the market. We're always analysing our processes and systems. We're always trying to find new ways and innovative ways to improve things, make things smoother and easier for our customers. We've got large facilities in Sydney and Perth. We don't sell direct, we exclusively supply through our dealer network.
Having really strong personal connections and relationships with our dealers is our ultimate goal. Everything that we do here is completely geared to the success of our dealers.
Advanta's very committed to being the best possible corporate citizen we can. We're constantly working on improving our environmental credentials. Another key feature of Advanta is our ability to innovate and customise. And we've got an incredible range of chairs, and what we can do with them sets us apart from a lot of our competitors.
At Advanta, we're very proud of having the best website in the furniture industry. You can go in, create a quote for the project you're working on, proceed to even place the order through the website, and in turn you'll receive full delivery and placement of your order. We're constantly growing and we don't rest on our laurels. We're always innovating and coming up with new products, new technologies, and we are really leading the industry.